Just got a quick video here on my new tool cart. Wanted to show how you could fit an entire big toolbox, narrow it down to a smaller toolbox. And this is just your general steel tool cart. My screwdrivers on the left. Most of your sockets fit on the top. More screwdrivers and random pry bars on the right. All my pliers, vice grips, crescent wrenches, needle nose pliers, they all fit in the top right drawer. Screwdrivers, they all fit top left. All my sockets, wrenches, they fit next drawer down. Wrenches, got 3 full sets in here. They fit very good doing it this way. That's just a piece of 12 gauge solid wire, house wire. I rolled it around a screwdriver. Works great for a divider. Full metric set. All the midget wrenches. And all my sockets are in the bottom. Got all the drill bits on the side. All the bits fit in that little drawer pocket. And odds and ends underneath the cart. Just wanted to show everybody that you can fit quite a bit into one of these if you're on a budget and you don't have a lot of room, which I don't, going in the race car trailer. So this will work out great. Thanks for watching.